Today in this tutorial we will learn how to fetch this collection of products on your homepage. So first of all, open your code editor. Inside your code editor, go to sections area. Over here, add a new section. I will name it as new product. PRDUCT new product.liquid. Now, first of all, change the name of your schema. I will set it as new product. Then add presets to your schema. So presets have two parameters. First one is its name. It is new product, and second one is its category. I will also name it as new product. Now, above your schema over here, we will place our HTML code. So first of all, you can see that we have to make this title of our section dynamic. For that, over here, this is the code for that title. We will make it dynamic. To do so, we will go to our schema. Inside settings, we will add a new entry of text type. So first of all, add its type, that would be text, then its label, title, after that its ID, I'm setting it as TITLE, and last one would be default value. In our case, by default we will give the value of new product. So just copy it from here and you can paste it over here. After that, over here we will write section dot settings dot ID, which was title. Now you can see that there are 4 product items which are added. This is first one, this is second one, this is third one, and this is third one, and where is fourth one? So this is third one and this is fourth one. So I will remove this extra space. Now you can see that these are the four items, product items. If I want to add dynamically my products dynamically, so I have to fetch a collection. For that, we will go to our schema and we'll add a new entry that would be of collection. So its type is collection. Its label would be select collection. I just didn't write label over here, that is label. Select collection and then its ID at last. I'm also setting it as collection. Now over here, just above these li, I will add a for loop that will say for product in collection dot products. and just at the end of all li, I will add end 4. It's end 4. Now I will just keep one li and I'll just delete the rest of 3. Now if I open it, so first of all we need to make our product title dynamic. So over here we will just simply write product dot title. Now if I open this div also, over here this is the reference link to our product. Over here we will write product dot URL, then we will use a filter that says within collection, and for this image we will write for this image we will write simply product dot featured image, then dot source src, then we will use a filter that will say image URL img URL, and I will set it as master. Now if we scroll down, instead of this price I will write product dot price. After that we will use a filter that says money. Now save your work. Now if we go to our customizer, if we scroll down here, there's an option of add section. Search for the section you just made, that is new product. After that, over here you have an option to select your collection. Before selecting our collection, just go back to your customizer. Over here we just missed a step, which is that above our everything over here we just need to make a new variable that would be of name collection or any name that suits you. So first of all write assign collection is equal to collections, and then over here we will write section dot settings dot collection. This is the same ID we assigned it in our schema over here, and make sure the name you're using over here, collection, that should be same as this name. Now save it. Over here the error states that I have forgot to add this, to close this square bracket over here. Now just save it. Go back to your customizer. Over here just reload it. First save it and then reload it, because we have made changes in our code editor, so it's better to reload our work. Now if we scroll down over here and select our collection, so you can see that our collection has been fetched. So you can choose any selection you want. You can see that in every collection this value is same. What could be the reason for that? It's because if we come over here, oh sorry, that was just due to the same prices added in our collection page. So now just after saving your work, go back, just select it, and then you can just move your section to any part of your page where just you want to display it. So just save it.